Good afternoon, guys. Now, yesterday we are at the topic of we want to see some sample program on Hadoop MapReduce, some sample program about the Hadoop MapReduce. Before that one, in previous class we have seen for the sample program on the MapReduce, for any program on MapReduce, mainly three classes will be there. They are mapper class, reducer class, and driver class. Okay. Internally, the mapper class will contain input split and record reader. The input split will split the given file into smaller files. Then record reader will convert the data in the input split into the form of key comma value pairs. Reducer class is the for reducing the data given by the mapper class will be reduced by this reducer class. Next, to connect the mapper class and reducer class, we are using the driver class. Okay, it is a main class. Okay, the driver class will configure the job and also it will attach the job to the mapper class as well as reducer class. Okay, the name itself is saying it is a driver class. It will guide the entire MapReduce program, how to configure the class. Okay, how the job should be attached to the mapper class, how the job should be attached to the reducer class, like that. All the work will be done by this driver class. That's why it is also named itself as driver class. Now, further sample program, we are taking a concept of a sample text document, text file. We are taking a text file or text document whose name is sample.txt. The text contains the following word: deer, beer, river, car, river, deer, car, and beer. This is the data that is present in the sample text file which we are going to analyze. Okay, here our aim is we want to write the MapReduce program, so that here we want to find the word count, frequency of each word. Deer, how many times deer has repeated, deer, how many times deer has repeated, car, how many times car has repeated. If you observe here, car frequency is 3, deer frequency is 1, deer frequency is 1, river frequency is 2, beer frequency is 2. Okay, that is the thing we have to identify. Here our analysis is, our work is, job is, we have to give this text file to the MapReduce program. The MapReduce program has to give us the output frequency of each word in the given text file, how many times each word has repeated. That is, it wants to analyze. Clear? That is the thing we have to go. See, here internally what will happen is, diagrammatically first we are showing what will happen in that program. This is the first input file: deer, beer, river, car, river, deer, car, beer. That is the thing. Here in the, for example, here in our diagram, here we are dividing this entire input file into 3 splits. Okay, we are dividing that one into 3 splits. Okay, 3 lines are divided into 3 splits. Each input split is given to one mapper. Okay, one map. Every input split is given to one map. Okay, see what is this mapping is doing is, it is identifying the count of every word in that split. For example, input split 1 is given. This input split 1 is given to the, this input split 1 is given to the mapper 1. What is this mapping is doing here is, in the given input split, 3 words are there. It is maintaining the count. Deer count is 1, beer 1, river 1. Similarly, second one, for every word it is maintaining the count: car 1, river 1. That means here what is this mapping is doing is, okay, for every word it will give you a count of 1. Okay, first car 1, second car 1. It is not updating here 2. Just for every word it is giving the count 1. Any number of times that word will be repeated, that much number of times only 1 will be given. Next, deer 1, car 1, beer 1. These are the 3 mappers are working on this one. They are mapping the data. Next, this data is given to the shuffling, which is a part of the reduce. Okay, what is the shuffling is doing is, wherever all the similar records are gathered at one place, beer is here and here. So beer is gathered to one location. Similarly, river is available here and here. So river is gathered to one location. Okay, deer is in 2. So deer is located in 2 here. Car is available in 3, 1, 2 here in this one and also this one. So all the related records are gathered at one. See, shuffling will shuffle the data. It means all the related records will be gathered at one location. Finally, reducing is reducing. That means for the beer, the values are 1, 2. So it is totaling that one. Beer 2, car 3, deer 2, river 2. And finally, it is giving the single small output value. Beer comma count is 2, car count is 3, deer count is 2, river count is 2. It is reducing the output. Actually, this is the output by the mapping. This is the output map by the mapping. It reduces this output into this smaller size. This larger size is reduced into the smaller size. This is the concept here. This is the example we are going to taken, and for this example we have to write the mapper class, reducer class, and driver class. For these three we are going to write these three classes. Clear? This is the concept here. For this class only we have to go for saying the programming. Already we know. Okay, it will contain the map reduce program will contain mapper phase, reducer phase, and driver code. Okay, mapper phase code, that is nothing but mapper class. Reducer phase code, nothing but reduce code, reducer class, driver code. Okay, these three are the main classes or main parts of the map reduce program. Mapper code, we are writing for the code for the mapper. That means now this mapper class, that mapper class will is now first we are going to see a class for this mapping. What is here mapping working? What is the working of mapping here? For in every input split, for every input split, in the input split, for every word it is attaching a count of 1. Observe here. For every input word in the input split, it is attaching a count of 1. So first, the entire input is divided into the words. It is dividing the given input line into the words, and for every word it is attaching a count of 1. That is going on in this mapping. Clear? So we have to write the program so that the program has to, whenever an input split is given to this mapper class, it has to break the line into words, and for every word it has to attach 1. Now we will see code for this one. Okay, see here we are taking the class name is we are taking here as the map. Okay, for this mapper code I am taking the class name as map, public static class map, extends long writable text. Sorry, this is not, something is missed here, guys. Just please wait for 1 second. Yes, so I have taken break. I am adding that line. See, here we are taking the class name as map class. We are taking our class as map. Class map extends mapper, whereas this mapper is a predefined class. Okay, we are going to create a map class, which is your different this mapper class. Okay, and the input parameters for this one are it will take the data types long writable, text interactable. Already we know. Okay, every phase in the map reduce will take the input in the form of key comma value page and give output in the form of key comma value page. 4 in data types are here: long writable, comma text. So the input key comma value pairs are in the form of long writable comma text. Key is in the form of long data type. Java long is here long writable, and value is in the form of string. Okay, text is nothing but Java string data type. Hadoop text is nothing but Java string data type. So long writable comma text. First one is in the format of long comma text. Okay, long comma string. The output of this mapper code is nothing in the form of text comma interactable. Key, the output key is in the form of string. The output value is in the form of integer. Int writable is nothing but integer in the Java. Clear. So the key comma input key comma values are data types for the input key comma values are long writable comma text, and the data types of output key comma values are text comma int writable. Here please observe here. And when we come to input, key is integer, long is nothing but integer. Key is integer, value is text. And when we come to the output of the mapper class, key is text, value is integer number. The both are reversing. Okay, I will show you them in the example. What is the thing? Now, inside this map class, I am taking a method called map. Already we told the mapper code will mapper class will contain the void map. Okay. What is this map method is? Map method is a abstract method which is available in the mapper class. Okay. What is this map method is? Map method is a abstract method which is available in the mapper class. So that means that name is a predefined name. We have to implement that method. Map method is a abstract method which is available in the mapper class. So that's why to use this map method only, we are extending mapper class. Why? Because we want to use this map method which is belongs to this mapper class. Clear? Now observe here carefully. Observe here carefully. Observe the value given to this one is first. We are taking a line by line. String line is equal to value dot to string. First line we are taking in the form of line. If you take the input, what is the first line here? Dear beer river, dear beer river. This line will be taken. Okay, that entire line will be converted into the string format. String line is equal to value dot to string, data conversion to string. Okay, whether it is, see in our example already it is a string. Some examples may contain numerical data will be there. That's why whether it is already string or numerical data, the entire data will be converted into the string. Okay, string line is equal to value dot to string. Next, what we are doing is string tokenizer class. We are using the Java string tokenizer class. String tokenizer tokenizer is equal to new string tokenizer of line. Okay, that means what is the use of the string tokenizer class is whenever a line is given to the string tokenizer, it will break the line into tokens. In our language, nothing but what officially this is called as tokens. Okay, the duty of the string tokenizer in Java is to break the given line into tokens. On what basis it will divide the line means. For example, see here. Here our line is dear beer river. The line in the input split one, the line is dear beer and beer river. On what basis it will divide this entire line into tokens means here it will divide this line into 3 tokens. On what basis means, okay, by default basing on the space between the words it will divide the line into tokens. Okay, deer, after deer we got the space, so it will identify deer as one token. Next, after beer again space is there, so it will identify beer also as one token. Next, river, after river also slash n is there, space is there, so it will identify that one also as a token. Clear? By default the string tokenizer will take the space as a delimiter. It will use the space as a delimiter. Any word before the space will be considered as one token. That is the thing. Okay, first by using the string tokenizer object we are dividing the line into tokens. Next, next observe here, while tokenizer has dot has more tokens, we have written here the while loop While this, observe this while loop. This is the main logic in this one. While tokenizer has the as while tokenizer, this is tokenizer is nothing but object of string tokenizer. Tokenizer dot has more tokens. Nothing but what is this has more tokens method is. Has more tokens method indicate the tokens. Okay, the has more tokens will return the tokens of the string tokenizer class. For example, in our example, we divide the line into three tokens: deer, beer, and river. Three tokens are there. Okay, this tokenizer dot has more tokens. We method will every time will return one token. Every time it will return one token. Clear? It will return every time it will return one token. First deer will be returned. First deer will be returned. Clear? Tokenizer dot first has more tokens. Okay. By using that one, tokenizer dot next token. First deer will be returned. It will be attached to value. Okay, the value will contain the deer. See, for the value, first deer will be entered. Immediately, whenever the value is the deer, what we are doing? Okay, we are writing context.write is nothing but similar to SOP in the Java. We have here context.write. Immediately, we are writing into the file value, whatever the deer, that deer will come in the place of value. And see here, we are attaching number one int writable of one value comma one deer comma one next token bear comma one next token river comma one. Okay, immediately we are attaching the one context dot write of pairs. We are writing them in the pair of pairs like this. See, first it will divide this on the three tokens. First token will be taken, immediately one is attached. Second token one, third token one. Similarly, in the case of second one also, second input split also, car one, river one, third one also. Okay, that is the thing here. This is briefly the mapper code. This is briefly the mapper code. Is it clear, guys? Into the string value, we are entering each token. Okay, for the into the string value of zero, first deer will come into value of zero. Next deer beer will come into value of one. Next value of two will contain the river. Immediately, okay, for value of zero, first value we are attaching one. For second value also attaching one. For every word we are reading, we will attach the value one. That is what is happening in the mapper code. I think you have some rough idea on this one. Now we are going to see the reducer code. The output of this mapper code will be given to the reducer code. See here, carefully observe here. Whenever we are giving your input split deer, beer, river, second input split car, river, third input split. So three lines, we divided the entire file into three lines. Each line is given to one mapper. Okay. At the time of giving the input split to the mapper, in which format we are giving? Okay. See, what is the key comma value pairs is? That line will become the value, and the key for that one is its a serial number. What is the serial number of this line in the original file? This line number is one. So here the pair will be one comma deer beer river. Here two comma deer beer river. Here three comma deer beer river. Okay, the line number will be taken as a key here. Key 1, 2, 3 key are the keys. Then before giving to mapping function, keys are 1, 2, 3. Values are deer, beer, river, car, river, deer, car, beer. That means before giving to mapping, what are the keys? Keys are nothing but integer data type. What are the values? Values are string data type. So before giving to the mapping function, the keys are integers. 1, 2, 3 are integers. Values are strings. Beer, beer, river, car river, deer. All these are the strings. Next, the output of mapping function is, when we come to the output of mapping function, keys are the strings. Deer, this one, see, this deer, beer, river, these will become the keys, and these ones will become the values. Okay, here k comma k1 comma v1, p1 v1, which are input to mapping function is string, integer comma string. The output of mapping function, that is k2 v2, k2 v2 is string comma integer. That's why when we observe the mapping program, for this mapping map class, we are taking input key, input output key comma value pairs are long writable comma text. Text is nothing but Java string. Hadoop, in Hadoop, text is nothing but, in Java it is string. Long writable in Hadoop is nothing but long data type in Java. Long is nothing but integer category only. So integer data type string. For input key comma value pairs. For output key comma value pairs, text comma int writable. Text comma int writable we are taking here. Text is nothing but string. Int writable is nothing but integer data type. Clear? Now the output of this mapper class is text comma int writable. That means key the output of, in the output mapper code, the output of the mapper code, keys are string data type, values are integer data type. Now this data will be given to the reducer code. See, the reducer code input key is text, input value is int writable, which is the output values of the mapper code. Next, the output of this reducer code is also text comma int writable. It will take key comma values as text comma int writable and give output key comma value pairs in the form of same text comma int writable. Okay, inside this reducer class, see here, when we go for this one also, we are writing reduce, which extends reducer, where reducer is a predefined class. The reducer contains a abstract method called reduce. Okay, reducer is a predefined class which contains abstract method reduce. Okay, we are implementing this reduce. Now one in this reduce, what we are doing is simply we are taking one for loop. For x values, what is this for loop we call in Java? ఈ for loop మనం Java లో ఏమంటామండి? It is nothing but for each loop. Okay, this for loop is nothing but the for each loop. Okay, int writable x values. For every x in value, okay, sum is equal to sum plus x dot get. X dot get function. What is this x dot get function will do is, okay, key dot get function. The get function will take the key and it will return all the values related to the key. Okay, what is this get function will do in the Hadoop is, whenever we given key to this get method, the get method will return all the values linked to the key. So whenever x dot get will give all the values, okay, for every first value will come, we are adding that to some. Second value will come, we are adding that to some. Third value will come, we are adding that to some. Sum is equal sum plus x dot get method. See, we will take our example. In the reduce function, what it will do is, for the, what is the key here? Beer is the key. Beer. For beer, how many values are there? Two values are there, 1 comma 1. So x is here beer. X dot get will return first one will be returned. Again second one will be returned. Sum is equal to sum plus 1. That is 0 plus 1, 1. Again sum is equal to 1 plus sum plus 1. That is 1 plus 1, 2. So for the, when x is equal to beer, the output value is 2. When x is equal to car, the output value is 3. Why? Because 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2 plus 1, 3. For deer, 2. For river, 2. That work is going on here. Okay, for each x in values, okay, Immediately after that one, after immediately finding the sum, we are displaying that one. Context dot write of key comma new iterable of sum. Immediately after finding that sum, we are displaying it. See here, immediately after br comma 2, we are displaying br comma 2, car 3, d2, river 2. We are displaying that one. Context dot write in Hadoop is nothing but system dot out dot println in Java. Yeah, this is the mapper class and register class. Mapper class is finding count of every individual word in the given text and reducer is summing all the counts of related words. If there is any related similar words are there, the count of the similar words are merged by this reducer. The main class is along with reducer and mapper. One more main class is the driver class. We have to write the code for driver class also. Driver code. Okay. Now the driver code will contain the first. We are taking object of configuration class. In the driver code, first we take in the driver code, first we take the object of configuration class, where configuration conf is equal new configuration. Next see, we are taking the object of job class, where configuration class, job class are predefined classes. We are taking job class, object of job class, job is equal to new job. For this job, we are giving input parameters is object of configuration class, comma, name of the program, my word count program. Okay. See, as we already told, we are creating object for configuration class. That configuration object is given as a parameter to the object of job class. Clear? Now, for this job class, see, for this object of the job class, we are giving set jar by class word count dot class. What is this word count dot class? Is class file of your program. Okay, for our program, whatever our program name. For example, if your program name is word count dot java, what is the class file name? Word count dot class. Okay, for the job object, we are giving our program class file name, that is set jar by class. Okay, word count dot class. First, for the job object, we are giving our program map reduce program, whose name is word count dot class. Next, for the job object, we are giving the mapper code class name also. What is the mapper class name we are using in our program? Map dot class. Okay, job dot set mapper class of map dot class. Where is your mapper code? Your mapper code is in map dot class. Already we have seen previously, we have written the map dot class. Similarly, we are attaching the, what is the reducer class name? Reduce dot class, which we have seen previously. Map class, reduce class. Okay, set mapper class is map class. We are attaching for the job, we are attaching our program class name, our map class name, our reduce class name. Clear? Next, see here, two more methods are there. Set output key class, set output value class. What is the use of this set output key class, set output key value class? These two methods are set output key class method, set output value class methods are the predefined methods in the job class. Okay, these output key class, output value class will first one, output key class. The output key class will decide in which format the output keys are displayed. Okay, in which format we want the output key class. We want the output keys in the form of text demo, text dot class, text format, string class format. We want the output. Similarly, in which format we want the output values, int writable dot class. That means we want the output values as integers, keys as text. Similarly, in which format we are going to give input to, in which format we are going to give the, we want to get the output to. Okay, we are going to give input in the form of text input format class. We are going to get output in the form of text output format class. Which format you are going to give your file input in the text input format, text format. In which format you want the output in the text format. Clear. Next one is next set output path. Path output path, new path. We are going to define a output path for our program. After giving the output should be displayed in some path. Therefore, we are setting an output path. Clear. Add input path, set output path. By using the methods of add input path, we are giving the path of the input location. In the command line arguments, argument of 0 will give the path of the input file, and argument of 1 will give the path of the output file where we want to write the output. Okay, basing on this path, the context.write will display the output in that path. Okay, in that path where we want to write, in that path it will write the output. Okay, these are the three main classes: mapper code, map class, reducer code, reduce class, driver code. The thing but the main class. Driver means not, its name is not driver class. Okay, there is no predefined name. For this one, we will. This is the main class. Okay, in our Java program, the main class will be there. That is nothing but this driver class. We are calling this main class or driver class like because it is going to drive the entire operation. Who is guiding the entire operation is driver code will own. So why? Because the it is containing program name, who is the map, where is who is the map class, who is the reduce class. Okay, in which format we want input, in which format we are going to give input key comma value pairs, in which format we are giving, we are getting output key comma value pairs. What is the path of input file, what is the path of output file. All this configuration is done in the driver code only. That's why it is the main tool. Okay, this is basically the three main classes in the MapReduce program: mapper code, reducer code, and driver code. Clear? Whenever we got the chance, we will write this. We will make these three combinedly as a full-length program, and we will execute that. Definitely, we will execute that, and we will see the output in our future classes. Okay. Thank you very much. This is briefly about the sample program of Word document, Word count exam. Clear. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next class again.